Hello friends. So in today's video we will discuss about IP parameters. So I need to verify the IP parameters in different client operating systems. Okay, so this time I'm using my window 10 here. Okay, so this is the screenshot that I have taken from my window 10. So within IPv4 we can give IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, also DNS server. So if you want to see the practical, then I will show you. Then in control panel, we have to click in control panel, network and internet. After that, after network and internet, network and sharing center, change adapter setting, and here you can give IP address, IPv4. So here we have different things like obtain IP address automatically and use the following IP address. So here you can give IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DNS server. Okay, in advance, if you want to give multiple IP address to your operating system, then you can add here TCP IP address, DNS address and your WINS address here. Okay, so I'm not going to give address this time because my system is connected to internet, because IP is based on internet. So if I will change the IP address, then definitely my internet goes shut down. So that's why I have taken screenshot. Sorry. So this is the screenshot taken from window 10. In this you can see IP address, subnet mask, gateway like 192.168.1.25, gateway is 1.1 and subnet mask is 255.0.255.255.255.0. So that it is window 10 operating system. So there is no difference of IP addressing in Mac operating system, but the difference is virtually like Mac operating system is different. But in Mac operating system you can give Ethernet IP address, and here you can see the status, cable is unplugged. After that you have to give it manually IP address, subnet mask, and router keyword knows same as default gateway. Like in Windows operating system we know it as default gateway and in IP Mac configuration it is known as router. So here we have DNS server. So besides this, I have taken screenshot for Linux operating system also. Here same we can use IP address, broadcast address, subnet mask, default route and primary DNS. So the IP configuration is easy on each and every operating system. Thank you so much.